So welcome back to another tutorial. As you can see here, I'm trying to open this zip file here. It is not opening. I'm going to inform you the solution. So just search 7-zip like that in your browser. I'm using Chrome. Download the first file. Yeah. Wait for it to download. Just like that. And the download is complete. So go to your file manager like that. Downloads, programs, and you will find it here. So double click and install it like that. Now back to the zip file, extract here. If your file is encrypted, insert it. As you can see, my zip have been extracted. So remember, it is extract here. Many files do not have encryption, so it will just go direct. That is it. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye.